Colorado ranks close to the bottom in spending on nearly all state-funded services. If we begin by looking at total expenditures, the total amount states spend to fund all their community services, the average amount spent nationally is $166 per $1,000 of income. The state that ranks 25th in spending, Minnesota, spends $165 per $1,000 of income for state services. Colorado, ranked 48th nationally, only spends $118. When we compare how Colorado ranks in spending on individual state services, such as kindergarten through 12th grade education, Medicaid, and highway funding, Colorado nearly always ranks near the bottom among the states. In spending on K through 12 education, the national average is $43 per $1,000 of income. Colorado, ranked 49th in spending on K-12 education, only spends $34. Colorado would need to spend an additional $2 billion to reach the national average on spending for K-12. Similarly, the national average spent by states to fund public colleges and universities is $7. Colorado, again ranking 49th, spends only $3. Looking at Medicaid, the health insurance program for people with low incomes, the national average spent by states is $55 per $1,000 of income. Colorado only spends $19 per $1,000 of income, again ranking toward the bottom of states at 43rd. The number of people enrolled in Medicaid is expected to increase by 192% during the next decade, which could leave the state's sparse Medicaid dollars stretched even thinner. Spending on Colorado's Child Health Plan Plus, or CHIP, a program that provides health care for children, ranks the highest among all Colorado services, but it still ranks low. The national average spent on CHIP is 83 cents per $1,000 of income, while Colorado spends 65 cents, ranking 32nd in state spending. Finally, the national average spent on funding highways is $12 per $1,000 of income. Colorado only spends $6, which ranks Colorado 46th. That might help explain why there are currently 128 structurally deficient bridges in the state, and why 4 out of every 10 of our roads are in poor condition. Public investment that equals or exceeds other states' spending is not a prudent policy goal in and of itself, but comparisons to other states provides useful benchmarks for policymakers and the public. The benchmarks indicate the level at which Colorado residents are investing in their own future. From that perspective, Colorado's status as one of the lowest investing states in the country should raise troubling questions about the future of the state's economy and the quality of life for residents. For a detailed comparison of state spending on key public services, check out the full version of this report on our website.